Martin Lapiniff Alternative Heating Solutions. We just finished this one up. And lately, when I can, I've been installing these upside down. They'll flush better, no place for the sediment to sit. But anyways, been holding 50 pounds for like 10 minutes now. So we're going to turn the water on here in a second. But what we got, this is from the boiler. Goes in there, comes out here. And that one's actually going to the addition first, then coming back to the furnace. If you can keep the addition warm, the rest of the house stays warm, they tell me. So, being this one's in, our domestic's coming out of this one to the water heater, and the cold water's coming in. So we got cross flow. Flush and purge valves, I won't install them without it. You won't believe the crud that'll come out of these in the spring just using a gallon of white vinegar. I gotta get the caps out of the trailer yet, put back on them. You can get those at Supply House. All these fittings actually come from Supply House. You're not gonna find them at Menards usually, or Lowe's. And that's pretty much it on a flat plate. It's easy, yet it's time consuming. I find this usually to be the longest part of the job. Anyways, if you found our videos the least bit helpful or informative or entertaining, please subscribe to our channel. And as always, if the women don't find you handsome, at least they can find you handy. And an addendum here, I forgot to mention, I do include this bypass. That way if you ever have a leak or should plug or whatever, you can shut these valves. Open this one and you'll still have water in the house while you deal with it. This is the outlet. It goes in where the cold used to. There's your tempering valve. I will not do this without installing one. 160 degree water out of your taps isn't cool whatsoever. This has been Martin Lapiniff Alternative Heating Solutions. Women don't find you handsome, at least they can find you handy.